Hi friends, it's Julianne, and today I'm going to be giving an honest demonstration of the Devil Endura vacuum cleaner. So as you can see, I've got it all set up right here and plugged in. I just want to note that it's got a very thick and long cord, which is awesome. So super easy to plug around the house. It can be used in upright and handheld position. So we'll go ahead and test it in the handheld position first, just so I can show you that cool feature. So I'm going to sprinkle some dirt on the floor. Make sure y'all can see it. Boom, just like that. And then I'll put some on the floor for the upright position as well. All right. So I'm going to vacuum up the dirt on the right with the handheld position. So to use in handheld, you're simply going to pull this cord right here. Boom, attach one of your tools. So let's go ahead and try. Actually, we'll do the crevice attachment. So it comes with two attachments. To turn it on, you press the red button. It picked it all up, so it works wonderfully even on carpet floor. Now let's go ahead and test it in upright position. So I'm gonna kick my foot right here. Boom, press the red button. So no joke, literally picked it all up, no dust or kickback or anything. So it works wonderfully on carpet and on hardwood floors, and it never runs out of battery because it is corded and it's got a very powerful and long cord, so very, very durable. So I highly recommend, and I hope this is helpful. Thanks, guys.